Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of seeing that pesky gamma watermark on your presentations, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the gamma watermark quickly and for free. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is first open your gamma app and locate your design. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select export. You'll notice that to remove the watermark, you need to upgrade to a plus plan, which costs around €8 per month if billed annually. But don't worry, we have a workaround. Step 2. Instead of paying for the upgrade, export your design as a PDF. This option is usually at the top of the export menu. Once you have saved it, it will be available on your device. Step 3. Next, open Canva. This platform allows you to upload PDF files seamlessly. Click on Upload, select your newly exported PDF and open it. Canva breaks down the PDF into editable elements, allowing you to modify each part individually. Step 4. Now, here's the magic. Since the watermark is just an element in your design, you can click on it and delete it. You through or go through each page and ensure that everything looks clean and professional. Step 5. Once you have removed the watermark from all pages, click on Share, then select Download. Choose PDF Standard as your file type and hit Download again. Voila! You now have a watermark-free documentation or document ready for presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Remember, creating professional content does not have to become with a hefty price tag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.